Welcome to Pure Octane Garage.
I'm Brandon.
I'm Ryan.
We are going to coat some wheels.
Coat the wheels.
Like how I stuttered. I didn't stutter. I just like.
And we're using today we'll be using a ceramic spray coating, right?
Yeah, we're not going to use an actual bottled,
yeah.
you know, the 5-year or whatever coatings. We're just going to do our spray coating because we like it.
But really, the wheels. Why would you want to coat your wheels, Brandon?
You want to make those things easier to clean. Have you ever seen how dirty wheels get?
They have that brake dust.
Yeah, all that gross stuff in there all the time. So yeah, let's get them coated so when we go to wash them, when rinsing almost cleans them off all the way. Almost.
Yeah,
you know, for the
it
most
really
part.
does.
Think of how it works on your paint if you know.
And now, guys, you can, or gals, you can coat your wheels while they're on the vehicle.
That's
but
true.
we're gonna do it a little differently. We're gonna actually have the wheels off the car.
You can really get behind there and everything,
but you don't
in the barrels.
have to do it that way. You can literally clean your wheel and tire really good, or your wheel, and you can coat it while it's on the car.
I have a good observation of that. Do you remember coating my Charger's wheels?
Yes.
You did it. I remember you did it while we were doing the coating on the rest of the car.
Yep.
Held up great. And you were able to get it deep into the barrels. They had nice open spokes.
Yeah.
So you could get in there. But
yeah, so you don't have to remove the wheels. We will be for this.
It's going to be easier.
Instance, but yeah.
Takes a little longer because you got to pull the wheels off.
Yeah.
Only do that if you know what you're doing.
Yeah, do it safely.
Yeah. But anyways, yep, let's get at it.
Let's get those wheels coated, man.
Let's do it.
We need to clean this wheel before we coat it. Hey, Brandon, are you getting tired?
I'm sorry.
Are you getting tired? You better be sorry.
I'm not tired. We got 3 more to go.
Oh, well, you're gonna definitely be tired. You're gonna be this.
Let's rinse that wheel off. What do you say?
Wow, it even beads already.
It's got some quick beads on it. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna get us wet. All right, we've got the wheels clean. They're looking pretty spiffy, right, Ryan? Got all that brown off the, we're not gonna be messing with the rubber, but we got the actual tires clean, wheels look good.
But now we're gonna coat those so they are easy to clean.
Right, we're gonna use this. And I'm gonna try it with a applicator sponge microfiber here and see.
Yeah,
we might end up spraying the whole thing. We'll see how it goes.
Yeah, or you could do a combo of applicator and maybe
for the
microfiber.
Yeah, so let's
you know,
try
because
it out.
just because of
Getting
all the weird angles and stuff.
That's where it's different than a panel on a vehicle.
Exactly.
On the car itself.
But yeah, we're coating that, so yeah, dirt will just generally rinse away.
Yeah.
And that's what are you using? You're
right.
using a spray coating.
Adam's Graphene ceramic spray coating. And this is their standard one.
And that one's got what, maybe about 12-month?
I think that's what
protection.
Say, yeah, roughly about 12 months. I'm gonna guess on wheels, maybe a little less. You know what I mean? It's a high wear area. I'm gonna go ahead and just give this a prime it. A couple sprays.
Yeah,
like
make
that.
sure you get your glove real good.
Oh, and the gloves are important, guys. This stuff's pretty pony,
seriously, yeah.
And it smells like urinal cakes. Remember? You smell it?
Funny, but true.
All right, I'm just gonna wipe it on.
So you wipe it on, and what does it do? It rainbows when it starts to set.
It's already happening.
Because we've got a warm. I don't know.
I don't know if it's hard to catch. I don't hear.
Oh, I don't think I'll be able to pick it up.
We'll let it sit for a little bit.
But what it does is it's almost like seeing oil in water. You get a rainbow effect.
Yeah, that cool.
And then you know it's ready to be buffed away.
I'm gonna do all the wheel pockets here first. Actually, the sponge works pretty good, Ryan.
You're right. I can see it conforming to the curves and corners and you're right. And make sure you get you get everything. Did you get the?
I gotta get the actual edge. What was called the rim, right? The rim.
The rim.
I've never gotten any of this on tires before. How do you think that works?
I think it'll be fine.
Then we'll go ahead and get the hub area.
And then I'll try to see if I don't think the light is quite right to capture on camera that it's...
And that dark wheel, huh?
getting that rainbow effect to know that it's ready for you to polish away.
Let me see.
Are you going to do the barrel?
Yeah, let's do the barrel and see if we can get, because it's a little more flat.
Let's turn it this way a little bit here.
Maybe we can get that actual rainbowing effect to show.
Okay, I'll let you get a nice even coating around that barrel here as I try to...
Oh, it stinks, man.
It does smell weird. So, yes, using a well-ventilated area with gloves.
I'm going to even do the back of the splits.
Oh, I would.
Why not?
In fact, I did. I coated the whole thing.
I even did the wheel weight.
I'm like, hey, you know, the wheel and tire are off. It's easy to do. I'm doing it.
Let's let it flash for a minute.
Oh, okay. Flash. That's the... Oh, I see some, like, straight ahead.
We got some... Yeah. It's flash.
I don't know.
Flashes,
oh yeah,
there
you guys. Actually, I can see it here. Good. See that? That's where you know it's ready to be. What is it? Buffed away?
Yeah, and then it's a very climate dependent, guys. We're in a dry climate. That reacts pretty quickly.
It's dry and what? Maybe 80.
Yeah.
78, 80 degrees. So, yeah, you're good to go to.
So we'll go ahead
and you just
wipe it off.
Yeah, it's real easy to use.
Easy. Look at that. It's already.
And I gotta say, I've washed my vehicle once since coating the wheels, and oh my gosh.
Cleanly.
The road grime just rinsed away. Now again, I'll keep an eye on it and see how long that coating lasts. But
for this vehicle specifically, I'm pretty impressed at the lack of dirt in the barrels.
Yeah,
but that's vehicle specific. So we know if that one's flashed, this one's definitely.
Oh, for sure. So how's it looking though as you're doing that?
Looks great. I can actually feel the slickness.
And remember, with any of these coatings, they generally set within, like, fully cure within what, roughly 24 hours.
Yeah,
you don't want to wash them for a while.
Try not to get them wet.
Try not to get them wet.
5 hours. I can't remember.
I would. Yeah.
I don't even think it's on there, but
if you can go at least 24 hours.
Try to
before getting the wheels in this case.
And it's raining. You got to go somewhere, right? But
yeah.
For the most part.
But you can see this is very easy to do, and it's easy enough to do on the car. Now the barrel would be a little bit trickier on the car, but you know,
kind of reach in. You're not going to get as thorough of a job.
But trust us, guys, it's worth doing.
And to be honest with you, if you're going to use a more traditional instead of a spray sealant coating, if you're going to go with the actual coating that's in a bottle, it applies.
Yeah,
exactly.
Just like
we're really not any different.
Just
All
like
you put
where
on the
Brandon
and wipe it on. So
exactly.
Don't be scared of that stuff.
When he used that applicator, it would work the same way. So
it flashes the same. It's actually very, very similar.
Yeah.
It's not sprayable.
It just has a longer life.
Yeah. So there's a little bit different chemical makeup. I think we've thoroughly cleaned or buffed this one off. So
yeah. And I don't know from your view, but boy, that shines. Boy, wow.
Nice. I love being able to clean the back of the wheel.
I know, right? It is satisfying.
All right, 3 more to go, and then we're done. So we'll just get those done and wrap this up here shortly.
All right, yeah. So there, freshly coated wheels.
Freshly coated wheels. We'll put the little dressing back. Wait, are you supposed to do this, Ryan?
You're supposed to point the bottom of that letter to there. See?
I did it.
You did it. But yeah, so hey. Freshly coated wheels, do it. It's easy.
Yeah, easy. It's going to save you lots of time on those deep cleanings that you want to... Actually, just regular cleanings. Why did I say deep cleanings?
The only other thing that we're going to add some nice tire dressing just to darken that up.
But with that, make sure to like, subscribe, ring the notification bell if you want to see more videos like this. And you'll be notified that way. And with that, we appreciate you.
Yeah, yeah. We'll see you in the next one, guys.
Coat those wheels, guys. Whoa, stuff's falling out of the sky.
If we want to use it.
Look at that. Ew.